Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to start. Hi to all. Start the part second of problem solving algorithm, pseudocode, and flowchart using in computer field. Part two. Yesterday I upload the part first video of that. Now part second. What are variables? Now variable are memory location within the computer which allows pieces of the data to be stored. Now variable of those where you store the data inside that one. It creates the space inside the hard disk. Now the word variable comes from the word vary. Vary means that whatever you place within a variable can be changed, means after execution of program, when you complete the program, you execute the program. If no error occur inside that one, now after that you will enter the value inside that one. A variable can be viewed as a container used to be stored data, just like that one. Now what are variables? Just like in human mind, store the data inside that one. Now problem solving. Now that we have extra idea about how the problem is solved, let us represent this in a clear manner using the define diagram. Input value 1, value 2 of process and sum. Now we'll go for the second one. Now you will see step second, processing. Read value 1, value 2, calculate the sum, display the sum, and after that it will be show you the output. Now number 3. Now inside that one you give the value 1, 2. Now that one develop processing step have to be more detailed in the algorithm. Right, inside that one. Now once the defined diagram has been developed, the next logical step is to develop the algorithm. Now we will go for that one. Now algorithm development. The basic mathematical operators using in algorithm as follows: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and assignment operator in brackets for the grouping calculation. Now you can see that one example of an algorithm using the pseudocode which can be used to carry out the tasks outlined in the defining diagram as follow. Just you see, read value 1, value 2, and after that you can calculate the value of 1 and 2. We will press that one, and this value goes to that one new variable named sum. Right, now display the sum. It will be display the sum of that. Now pseudocode, a language, is the semi-formal English like a language with a limited vocabulary that can be used to design and describe algorithm. Now pseudocode language can be used designing algorithm, communicating algorithm as a programs, implementing algorithm as a programs, and debugging logic in a program. now pseudocode for the control structure. Again, we are everywhere when you are going to use the programming algorithm, flowchart, and also the pseudocode. Now you need the control structure, how the program will be run or executed. Now first one is the sequence control, second one is selection, third one is the repetition. Now first one, sequence. Sequence means series of the steps without missing any step. You will go through it. For example, if you are making 10-line program, now each and every step will be forwarded. Just like a sequence control structure is a series of the steps and statements that execute in the order in which they are written in an algorithm. Just like that, read taxable income, read filing status, and compute income tax. Okay, after that, we'll go for the selection control. Means that one selection control structure define two courses of action depending on the outcome of a condition. A condition is a expression that when evaluated compute the either true or false. Just like if condition is true, the part first will be displayed. If condition is false, then it will go for the other part, false part. Just like that one, example of that one. Your school timing or college timing or university timing 8 a.m. I give the selection that one control structure. If you come before the 8 a.m., then you will come inside the school or college or university. If you are late, then you will return to home. Now this is the condition of that thing, right? This is called selection control structure. Now decision making. Now how the decision will be made? Begin able to mnemonic the way to your human brain works. The computer also has the ability to make decision. Now programmer, that one is specialist to make this decision inside the programming. Now decision making can be represented in the pseudocode using the if then structure, right? Now you can see expression is that one. After that, two value will be there and a statement will be placed here. Now let's see, we are looking for a job which pays more than 4,000 euro or $4,000, 4,000 rupees, 4,000 ringgit, and 4,000 Bengali takas or Indian rupees, any currency. Let's see, if salary is greater than 4,000, then say I will take the job, and end if this one condition is there, the decision. If more than, it will be that one exit, right? Now decision making commonly use relation operators. Okay, sorry. Subscribe my channel and give the comments. If you have any question, type of question related to this slide, then you can ask from me, right? I will give you the answer. And also like the channel and like the video, and also share the video, right? And subscribe my channel. Okay, now we will come to the point. Now greater than sign, less than, equal to sign, greater than, equal to, these are the and brackets will be using. Now decision making, now you can see that one, if salary is greater than 4,000, then say yes, if not, then say no, right? Imply that one. These the two condition will be there. Now again we have here, now if salary is greater than 4,000 and credit card yes, then take a job. If not, then exit. Now decision making, compound expression can be representing using the following operators. AND operator. Even every expression must evaluate to be true in order for the whole expression to be true, and or as long as any one of the expression can be true, either if statement will be true, not the inverse of the opposite of entire expression. Now if a statement can be nested, is placed within other if statement. If you find in the programming in other, or you want to make a flow chart, algorithm, pseudocode, now if condition using inside the other if. For example, you are using two or multiple if. Now this is called nested if condition or statement, right? Used to situation when the expression, just like if you want to display the grade, if percentage greater than 80 and less than 100, display the A grade, A star. If percentage is less than 80 and greater than 70, display the B grade, just like that. Now you can see that one. If greater than this one, salary 4,000 and credit yes, then yes, I will take the job. Now you will see the other one. If salary is greater than, if credit card yes, then you will give this one, right? Multiple if will be there, right? And no credit card, sorry, and this one not enough pay. Okay, now we will go further. You can see if condition is there, if condition is there. Now this is a multiple block if statement. Now if a greater than B, then print A grade, or else you will print B grade. The example of that thing. Okay, now the third one is the repetition, means you will repeat. Just like that, I give you the instruction, our teacher give, P teacher give you the instruction, physical instructor. You will take around 10 times. Now you will take a start and you will take around of the ground 10 times, right, in running. If the P instruction or physical education instructor give you the instruction, only you will repeat 4 times. Just like that one in programming, we are using repetition control structure. Now block of the one or more statement which is inside that one, it will be repeatedly. While condition, loop and body, and that one while and while. Now looping structure or construct. Looping construct, also known as repetition or iteration constructs, are a kind of the construct found in the pseudocode algorithm and other flowchart. Allow statement or the group of statement to be repeated. Main reason why looping construct provide, because most of the problem which is encountered every day required some degree of the repetition. Looping structure process, example of that one, payroll processing is very much iterative process. For example, you have 30 employees. Now you want to execute the salary payroll of that 30 employees. You can. Person process the payroll, then apply the same calculation for each employee to produce the pay slip. Now looping construct available in the pseudocode, do while and do for loop. These are 3 looping structure: for, next, repeat, until. Now do while expression is there, and well, group of statement will be inside that one. Now it will be executed, condition will become, expression will be here. Now after that, this one for next construct, now for an initial value, ending value, and a step, and also inside that one group of statement will be there, and end do. Repeat will be there, and a statement will be there, group of expression will be in the end of that one, in repeat, until. Now look at the following example. You are required to develop a complete system which will allow the total payroll to be calculated. The system required to read the amount of paid for the each employees. And let's see. Now salary, read salary, calculate total, and display total, and total will be output. Let's see, display internal salary, read salary. Now total is this. Now do while salary is greater, less than, not equal to, means minus 90. Now it will be total equal to total plus salary. These are the variable. Now display the enter salary and read salary and undo, and it will be total pay. Payroll will be run. Just like that, while income is less than 50,000, print the taxable amount should be greater than or equal to 5,000. Read income. Now today is enough of the second part of that, right? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Subscribe my channel and write the comments about question. If you want to ask the question, you can, and share the video with your friends. Okay, Allah Hafiz, and take care by yourself.